We hustle daily. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another auction video. I'm gonna show y'all this truck real quick. Now, this is not my truck. This is my boy's truck. He just got this boy. He bought this boy from HustleNation. Now, we're gonna walk around the truck. I'm gonna tell y'all the price, and I want y'all to let me know what y'all think. Let me talk to y'all for 1 second. Let me just talk to y'all. Now, my boy just bought this truck, right? Let me show y'all. So it's a 2003 with 183 on the miles, right? He spent $2,300 out the door. Now, y'all let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna do the whole walk around. That go to Buick right there. We riding. No problems, we riding. Z71, he thought it was the 4x4, but it wasn't the 4x4. And hey, listen, I just want y'all to listen. Hold on. Look at the headlights. Just look at the body of the truck. Look at the body of the truck. Y'all let me know what y'all think. 2,300. What y'all think? 183 on the miles. Now that we looked at the truck on the outside, let's go on the inside real quick. Show y'all the inside. What y'all think? What do y'all think? Okay. Y'all see the inside now. Matter of fact, let me open the door. Cause I done told him. Look at the door. Look at the door. Cause I done told him about blind bidding. You know? Like, we was at HustleNation, but like I say, you just can't wait until something go down the line and you just take your shot at it, like, Now y'all big ballers out there, y'all big players who got all that money, y'all can do that. But I'm not doing it. I don't care if I did have a whole bunch of money. But y'all let me know what y'all think. $2,300, man. Now I done told him about blind bidding, man, and look. Come on, like look. Look at both the headlights. I mean the tail lights. Look at both the tail lights. Look at this. Look, they look like they've been working on something. We got belts and stuff. Look at the brakes. Look at the brakes. Y'all big spenders, huh? He want to be a big spender, huh? 2,300. Now I do think he can get his money back for sure. But 23. Look, the head, look at the little piece gone. Come on, man. You're gonna have to put some money into the truck. Paid 23. Hold on. He paid 23, but and what are we? Then we not even the 5.3. We the 4.8. It's still cool, but the cover going off of it, like, come on, man. I told him about that, but people don't listen. People don't listen. Look at the tire. I'm not trying to dog my boy truck out, you know what I'm saying? But, and he seen this and he thought it was a Z7. He thought it was the 4x4. Because it just came down the line. He looked at it real quick and look, the back all scratched up, He could probably get his money back. Y'all let me know what y'all think, HustleNation. But hey, y'all big spenders. Y'all want to just spend money without looking at stuff? This is what you get. You got to pay attention, man. You can't be thirsty. You got to be patient. I had to learn that too with the Ford Explorer. I bet you I won't do that again, though.